The purpose of this little video is to speak the Panphone Fire and Rain. It has all 40 sounds of American English in it, spoken by me with my typical American native accent. And you can pause on this upfront matter, or let's get right to the Fire and Rain Panphone. Here it is in regular spelling, and here I will read the phonetic. The phonetics are written in True Spell Phonetics. And here we go. The horrible fire engulfed our town. Burning vast acreage. My family fought it by joining bucket brigades. Then unbearable rainfall created erosion, tearing precious, parched, denuded earth away. That's a terrible scenario. And here is a breakdown of the consonants and vowels at 23 and 17. Here's the popularity ranking. Here you have double consonants which precede a stressed vowel other than the first syllable. And here we have the most popular vowels. You can pause at any time to read these things. Here is an analysis: 51 vowels, 80 consonants, 28 words. And the average phoneme per word is 4.68, a little bit more. 39% of the phonemes were vowels and 61% were consonants. There were 51 total syllables because each vowel is a syllable. And note we have 7 double consonants, meaning 7 stressed vowels other than the first syllable. And so that's an analysis of American English for this Panphone called Fire and Rain. It's good to practice American English and good for English learners.